friends, it's Mrs. Kelly here. I'm here today to teach you about something called hallway bowling. At my house, I have this long hallway, and at the end, I have my bowling pins set up. They're not really bowling pins. I use 10 of these paper cups. If you don't have paper cups, that's okay. You can use all sorts of things to be your pins. Maybe you have plastic drinking cups that you could use. Or maybe you drink yogurt smoothies like this one that you could use. Just make sure they're really, really clean inside because you don't want yogurt to spill. Ugh. Maybe you can collect some toilet paper rolls. Maybe your mom or your daddy already collects them for crafts. If you have 10 of them, you could use those. Maybe you could use some bottles of water. There are small bottles and big bottles. Maybe you have those at your house. You can ask your mommy and daddy to help you find something that's okay if you knock over, okay? When you set up your bowling pins, they make a triangle. The first row has 1, the second row has 2, the third row has 3, and the fourth row has 4. So all together, that's 10. 1 in the first row, 1, 2 in the second row, 1, 2, 3 in the third row, and 1, 2, 3, 4 in the fourth row. So 10 is how many pins you need. And if you don't have 10 of the same thing, make your pins be different. That's okay. I use some tape on my floor right here. You can't see it from where you are, but maybe I can do this. Oh, no, not really. I mess up my camera. So I have tape on the floor, and that's my line that I have to stay behind when I bowl. I also put pieces of tape underneath my pins so that when I knock them over, I know where they go. So you can ask mommy or daddy to help you either find some kind of tape that's okay to put on the floor, or use a big piece of paper and put marks. And that way you can set up the pins every time, and mommy and daddy won't have to help you with it every time. That way you'll know where they go. At my house, we have a lot of soccer balls. Mr. Kelly loves to play soccer. So we have small ones and big ones and lots of other things. If you don't have soccer balls, that's okay. You can use any kind of ball that you have at your house. The bigger the ball is, the more pins you'll probably be able to knock down. You can roll the ball, or you can kick the ball. It's up to you. Maybe try both and see what's more fun. So, here we go. You ready to watch me? Oh, I missed them! I missed them all! Oh, it bounced back around. I knocked over 2. I'm gonna try with my smaller ball this time. And this time I'm gonna try kicking it. Oh, I got them. I got all but 2 that time. I'm gonna go set these back up and play again, and I hope you find a time that you can play hallway bowling. And if you don't have a hallway in your house, that's okay. You can do it anywhere that you have a room that's long enough that the ball has some distance to roll. Have fun.